After watching a documentary, I always feel something. There was something that documentaries do that can have a bigger impact than just the person watching the documentaries. Now I see documentary as a two-way street in which the audience is not just receiving knowledge, but they can also do something with it in different ways. And I think within the work that we do at Human Security Collective, trying to bridge the gap between, voices that have been underrepresented or not heard and security, I think film could be an excellent way of doing this. For example, with Myanmar Diaries, where people under horrible circumstances will still be able to create such a beautiful film. The spread of this message has also already seen positive influences in also the political field, in which politicians are more aware of what's going on and they can undertake actions to actually help people that are suffering in these unjust places. We got to have Q&A sessions with the filmmakers, with the directors. But at one point I was laughing about something that he did in the documentary, and then I saw someone looking backwards, and then I saw that he was sitting there and I was like, oh no. But I think the film that had most impact on me was Sabaya. I don't think I've ever cried so much watching a documentary, since I don't have a background in film, so it was really cool to learn about some of the more technical sides to film as well.